This is the National Weather Service. Scheduled receivers can honor the preceding signal with a test signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals and the receiver's performance are only conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed. The National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area: in Virginia, Allegheny, Bedford, Glenn, Bonetoon, Carroll, Craig, Floyd, Franklin, Giles, Halifax, Henry, Montgomery, Patrick, Sylvania, Pulaski, Roanoke, Rockbridge, and Wythe. Also included are the independent cities of Buena Vista, Covington, Danville, Lexington, Martinsville, Galax, Bradford, Roanoke, Salem. In North Carolina, the following counties are included: Montana and Casways. In North Carolina, this has been a test of the NOAA radio warning device. We now return to normal programming.